Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the game actually supports ray tracing on Xbox Series X. That's the only way to get RTX-like visuals. Once done, update the console OS and the game so shader packages and fixes apply. Plug the console into wired Ethernet to avoid texture streaming stutters and set your TV to game mode. These steps reduce input lag and ensure the console can load higher-res ray-traced assets smoothly before toggling any in-game RTX options. You'll go into the game's graphics menu and locate the ray tracing or RTX toggle. Enable it and then select a preset that matches your goals. If you prefer stable 60 frames a second, choose performance-oriented settings. If you want the best reflections and shadows, pick quality and accept lower FPS. Make sure to reduce other heavy options like ambient occlusion or SSAO and screen space reflections to free GPU headroom so ray tracing runs without dropping frames during busy scenes. Finish by restarting the game to load ray-traced shaders, then test in scenes with reflections and dynamic shadows to confirm changes. If you see stutter or frame drops, immediately lower the ray tracing quality or enable internal upscaling and performance mode so the GPU has breathing room. If problems persist, power cycle the console to clear caches, check that your game is on an SSD with enough free space, and as a last resort, reinstall the title. These fixes address corrupted shader compilations and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.